Nonstick frying pans are a staple in any kitchen, offering easier release, faster cleanup, and lower fat cooking when used correctly. The category spans budget-friendly entries to premium hybrids, with coatings ranging from traditional fluoropolymers to advanced ceramic or hybrid stainless steel constructions. For this review,
List number 1. Sensarde Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet. This budget-friendly option from Sensarde uses a Swiss Ilag nonstick coating advertised as PFOA-free, with a wood grain Bakelite handle and a thick flat bottom intended for even heat distribution. The 9.5-inch variant sits in a broad family that caters to electric, gas, and induction stoves and is oven-safe up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a versatile everyday pan for light to moderate cooking tasks. The 9.5-inch size emphasizes quick sautéing and omelet work, while the overall construction leans on a cast aluminum interior with a stainless steel base to support induction and heat transfer. Performance-wise, the pan delivers decent nonstick performance for eggs and delicate proteins, aided by the thick base, which helps even heat spread. However, at its sub-$20 price, expectations should be tempered regarding long-term coating durability and everyday wear. The pan is dishwasher safe, which is convenient, but the maximum temperature of 302 degrees Fahrenheit limits high heat searing. User experience benefits include a cool-to-the-touch handle and generally positive longevity in typical home use, though frequent high heat or heavy use may accelerate coating wear.
List number 2. Tramontina Professional 10-inch Nonstick Frying Pan. Tramontina's professional line targets home cooks who desire professional-grade construction without restaurant pricing. The 10-inch pan uses heavy-gauge aluminum with a reinforced non-stick coating and a solid cast stainless steel handle with a silicone sleeve. It's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, though not induction. The included features, dishwasher-safe build, lifetime warranty, and NSF certification signal a durable workhorse designed for frequent use. Performance-wise, the aluminum body delivers rapid, even heating suitable for searing and sautéing. The reinforced coating reduces sticking and supports easier release of delicate foods like eggs or fish. The handle design and oven compatibility make it flexible for multi-step recipes, and the lifetime warranty provides confidence for long-term durability. However, its non-induction limitation means it's best suited to non-induction setups or homes that don't rely on induction cooking.
List number 3. Sanho 10-inch Frying Pan Nonstick. Sanho positions this 10-inch pan as a health-conscious ceramic nonstick option with a diamond titanium ceramic coating that claims superior hardness and longevity. The coating is PFOFA, PFOA, and PTFE-free, appealing to eco-conscious buyers. It features a multi-layer aluminum body with an extended magnetic stainless steel base for induction compatibility and fast, even heating. The Stay Cool Bakelite handle and dishwasher-safe design augment user convenience, while the pan is not oven-safe in most configurations. Performance-wise, the diamond titanium ceramic coating offers robust scratch resistance and low-fat cooking, making it suitable for eggs, fish, and modest searing. The pan's weight, approximately 3.39 pounds, provides stability during use, though it may feel heavier than some aluminum-only pans. The ceramic coating's care requirements emphasize avoiding metal utensils and high heat, but it benefits from dishwasher-safe maintenance. Overall, this pan excels for calorie-conscious cooks who value chemical-free coatings and induction compatibility.
List number 4. Hexclad Hybrid Nonstick 10-inch Frying Pan. Hexclad's 10-inch pan represents a premium hybrid approach, combining stainless steel with a Terabond ceramic nonstick layer and Hexclad's laser-etched hexagonal pattern. The pan is designed for all cooktops, including induction, and is oven-safe up to a blistering 900 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a triple-ply construction with an aluminum core for fast, even heating, and is marketed as metal utensil safe with dishwasher compatibility. The lack of a lid in this model is a minor caveat for some users. Performance-wise, the HexClad hybrid surface aims to deliver the best of both worlds: a robust sear from the stainless steel surface and easy release from the non-stick coating. The high heat tolerance enables searing and reduction work without worrying about coating degradation. The Stay Cool handle, combined with dishwasher safety and UV-safe finish, makes it a versatile long-term pan for enthusiastic cooks. Some users may find the hex pattern influences oil distribution or require a brief seasoning period to optimize non-stick performance.
List number 5. Sensart Non-Stick Frying Pan Skillet with Lid. This larger 12-inch deep skillet from Sensart targets multi-portion cooking tasks, featuring a PFOA, PFOS-free Swiss iLag coating and a helper handle for improved control with heavy loads. The 5-quart capacity and tempered glass lid expand versatility for braising, stews, and sautéing. Induction compatibility is ensured via a cast aluminum base, and the pan is oven safe, extending up to modest temperatures with the lid on. Performance-wise, the deep design enables rich braises and larger volume cooking, while the non-stick coating supports easy release and cleanup. The weight, 5.3 pounds, and lid offers stability during simmering, though care is required to preserve coating integrity with utensils and high-heat cooking. The pan's dishwasher safe claim is convenient, yet hand washing may extend coating life. Overall, this model is best for families or meal prep scenarios where capacity matters more than ultralight handling.